Recently, I received a comment on one of my videos, which is sent by UZMASSR3P. I cannot figure out who sent me this, but that's the handle. He says, "Hi, sir. We see light green, gray, and red marks on the right hand side of the MarketSmith chart. Could you please let me know what it indicates, please?" Well, basically, the light green is the target area where you're supposed to book profits. The gray mark it's not gray, it's blue, it's light blue. It's where you are supposed to build your position in the stock. And red mark is where it's your stop loss range, 5 to 8% from your pivot point. And these are relevant to the weekly time frame chart, not the daily time frame chart. So let me show you an example. Let's go to MarketSmith. Let's go to a stock, let's say Polycab. So let's go to the weekly time frame. I will open this. By the way, I'm a SEBI-registered research analyst, so please read my disclaimer in the description box of this video. All of my content is for educational purposes. So have a look at this. You see this blue area, which he calls gray color, then the red area and this green area. Okay, so if I look at this base, the pivot point is 7605. So let me go to the weekly time frame chart. Is the weekly. Let's go to Polycab. Sorry, Polycab weekly time frame chart NSC. So 7605, I have marked that blue color zone, which is the high of, I think it's the high of this bar. This is a weekly time frame chart. So that blue zone is the high of this bar plus 5% above. That's the range in which you are supposed to accumulate the position. Now, the stock, as you can see, is currently trading near that. Doesn't mean that you have to buy the stock. Remember our orange trading system? You have to do liquidity, comparative, technical, fundamental market analysis. So here I'm only discussing the technical aspect. Other aspects, you have to do your due diligence. And this is just for illustrative purposes. Don't see this as some recommendation or something. Okay. The stock seems to be already rolling down after entering the buy zone. That's a danger signal. You have to be aware of that. So this 7605, from here, you go up another 20. From here, you go up around 20% here. So we'll draw a line here. Let's say here, let's give it green color. Then you go 25% somewhere over here. And you draw another line here. So that's your green zone. And then you come down from here 5%. Somewhere over here. And then 8% somewhere over here. Okay, so this is red color. That is what he's talking about in the comment. So this gray color, which he calls in the comment section, light green, this is the light green, this is the green section where you are likely to take partial profits or maybe book all of your profits, sell everything. Then this is, it says the gray, this is the gray area, which is the light blue. This is the buying zone. This is the area in which you are supposed to accumulate your position on the weekly time frame chart, not the daily. This is not applicable to the daily. And the red marks, this is the red mark. This is where when the stock enters this 3% zone, you are supposed to start reducing your position or maybe sell the stock altogether. That is what these these things mean on the MarketSmith chart. I hope I have been able to address the query very easily. Thank you so much.